You all have a lot of roses in your garden and you're not sure when you should be pruning them or how to prune them or anything to that effect. Well, if so, sit back, relax. We're going to go really quick and down and dirty on a fast video about how to properly prune your rose bushes. Let me show you the proper way to prune a rose bush. Now, what I want to do is take this bush right here. All of this is the rose bush. And I want to take it down to about 2 foot off the ground, somewhere right in that range, and just allow all this to grow again. So, why do you want to do this? Well, one, you want to get rid of old dead branches, diseased branches, things of that nature. You also want to shape your rose bush in a way that it allows air to flow through the center. So when you are pruning your rose bush, you want to make sure any limbs that are going inward, you cut out. You don't want a bunch of craziness on the inside. You want air to flow through your rose bush. And when you're cutting, you want to cut at a 45-degree angle just above an outward facing bud, which I'll show in just a second. That is what you want to do. That way that outward facing bud will put a branch that comes out, not one that goes in. Make sure that whatever you're using, you clean the tool properly so you're not introducing any kind of disease to your plant. And make sure you have gloves, which I don't have right now. So this is going to be fun because this bush has a lot of thorns. So let's get into it. What I'm doing now is I'm just cutting the branches down so I can actually see the main stalk and then get an idea of what I want to do. Okay, so real quick, here we go. So this is a bud right here, and as you can see, it's facing inward. That is not what you want. You want a bud like that right there is a bud. Now that's kind of facing left to right, but that's better than one facing inboard like that. Okay, so as you can see, what I was doing right there was totally cleaning up the area so I could actually see the rose bush itself. Now I have a good plan on what I want to do with this rose bush. So you can see right down here is a main stalk. This is the main one right here. Now that's a side shoot that's dead, so that's about to come out. You can see it's brown and dead right there. So that's going to come out. What I want to do is take the rose bush right down into this area right here, taking down all this extra stuff and just leaving the stalk so it can do its thing. Now, because this rose bush is facing the way it's facing, I'm going to actually prune it to where the branches shoot backwards that way instead of out. Because of how my garden is, I don't want a bunch of branches coming this way and I have to deal with thorns and stuff. I'd rather the branches go backwards. So this is where you knowing your garden comes into play, and that's okay. You can totally change up how you prune your rose bushes based on your specific situation. For me, now that I can actually see it, I'm going to shoot all the branches, all those buds that I really want to produce to grow that way. Okay, and here's an example. Here's a bud right here that I could totally cut right above it and let the rest of this shoot start to grow out this way. But this bud right here is actually growing the way I want it to go. So I'm going to cut at a 45-degree angle right above that bud so it shoots the way I want it to go. Okay, y'all, and just like that, the rose bush is done. Now, you remember how it looked at the beginning 7 minutes ago. And now you can see it right here. So I've got this bud that's facing that way, so the new growth will start shooting back this direction. I have a bud right there, which again will shoot that direction. We've got that bud right there shooting that way. I took out that old branch that was dead. All of this dead stuff here, y'all, is just lantana that's died from the freezes. But that's how you prune your rose bush. Now look how small it is right now. And in 3 or 4 months, this thing's going to be massive. Next will be that one. But I won't bore you on me shaping that one. But that's what you need to do whenever you're pruning your rose bushes. Just find those buds. Make sure they're shooting the direction you want them to go. Make sure the area inside the plant is open so air can flow through it. And y'all just have fun growing your roses. So that's all I got, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, do me the 3 favors: share, like, subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. I would love to have all of you join all of us here on this channel of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. Take care, God bless. Continue to shine bright, harvest hard. Prune your roses, sit back, watch them grow, and just have fun, y'all. And I'll talk to you again real soon.